How you doing out there? This is Chris Grizzard. Right now we're in Bowling Green. Bowling Green is in Caroline County, here in Northern Virginia. Let's check out what they got. The Star Hotel in the Caroline County Courthouse. Conspirator's Lair. This is built in approximately 1820. There were two taverns serving Bowling Green during that time. On May 21st of 1864, General Winfield Hancock, Second Corps, passed through Bowling Green as Union soldiers broke into stores, looted homes, and freed prisoners from the jail. A few bold souls ventured outside to hurl epithets at their troubadours. "Are you going to Richmond?" cried one woman. "Go all of your bones in the ground before you get sight of it." Turns out she was wrong. And this is a map of the Union liberation of Bowling Green. And the love sign in front of the Bowling Green Town Hall. Water tower there on fire. Let's see, Western Idaho. I've seen a Texaco sign. Let's see if we can find most of these places. There's the courthouse. We've seen that. Let's see what we can find of this. Old service station converted into an ice cream shop. Fortunately cold, or closed for the cold. The campaign of 1781, Lafayette, marching head of Ilk, Maryland, to Richmond, camped here the night of April 27th, 1781. If you look on the courthouse grounds, see a clock. This is the Veterans Memorial. Those who fought for it, freedom has a taste. The protected will never know. Yeah, a lot of cool historic buildings, older houses, and a Dollar General. Very pretty town. First African American slaves were brought to Caroline County around 1700. Few records were kept of their existence except for their status and value as property, an occasional brush with the law. Many slaves of Caroline County were executed for their participation in slave uprisings or rebellions, while others were rewarded by their slave master for their loyalty and betrayal of their slave brothers and sisters. And that's the foundation of the United States. Religious Society of Friends, established in 1739. The people of Caroline County this is the second half of the African American history that we started on. If you've heard of the case Lovin versus Virginia, it happened right here in this location of Caroline County, Bowling Green, Virginia. This looks to be an old jail. It is the old jail. Historic Caroline County Jail, established in 1900. Alright, well, Bowling Green's a small town, so we call the better part of it. A lot of history here in this little small area. So if you're ever around Caroline County, make sure you stop by Bowling Green, check it out. And make sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and everything. Thank you, and have a good day.